I'm in the new Renault Sport Megane. Next to me is a Seat Leon Cupra R. Next to that is a Honda Civic Type R. Next to that is a Peugeot 308 GTI. And next to that is a Hyundai i30N Performance. Now we're going to have a drag race. All these cars are manual. They're all front wheel drive. So fast, and the Cupra. What's happened to me? Come on! I'm in the i30N. No, no, no.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Civic was ahead for most of the race, but was being caught by the Leon all the time. They both crossed the line in 14 seconds dead, but the Civic was ahead by a whisker. Next was the i30N at 14.7 seconds, which managed to beat the Renault, which had the best start, but crossed the line in 14.9 seconds. Last was the Peugeot in 15.4 seconds. Really, the issue is the 308's engine just tends to bog off the line, just like the 208 GTI's engine did when we drag raced that. But could the Peugeot do better in the next challenge?
In third gear, 50 miles an hour, and I'll call them in. 3, 2, go!
In the end, it was the Leon which just managed to nose ahead of the pack, closely followed by the Civic, with the 308, i30N and then the Megane trailing in that order.